Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Stainless steel water bottle. The Elo Cooper 22 stainless steel water bottle is an exemplary choice for anyone looking to combine functionality with style. With a capacity of 1.4 pounds, this water bottle strikes a perfect balance between being lightweight and durable. The sleek black finish gives it a modern appeal, making it suitable for various settings, whether at the gym, office, or while traveling. One of the standout features of the Cooper water bottle is its double-wall insulation, which keeps beverages cold for hours without any condensation on the exterior. This ensures a mess-free experience, especially on hot days. The leak-proof design provides peace of mind when tossing it into a bag, while the screw cap ensures a secure seal. The inclusion of a BPA-free plastic internal straw and a lid with a soft silicone spout is particularly thoughtful, as it promotes easy sipping. Although the product is advertised as dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to maintain the structure and finish over time. Weighing in at just 14.1 ounces, the bottle is easy to carry, and the integrated carrying loop adds to its portability. Its dimensions, 2.9 inch into 10 inch, are designed to fit most cup holders, making it a bar set drink mixer set. The Kite Sensu cocktail shaker set stands out as an essential tool for both seasoned bartenders and cocktail enthusiasts alike. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this set is not only visually appealing with its sleek silver finish, but also durable enough to withstand daily use. Measuring 11.6 by 4 inches and weighing 2.55 pounds, it strikes a perfect balance between robustness and manageability. This kit includes a generous 25 per 750 ml martini shaker, which allows for ample mixing space. Accompanied by 9 other essential components, such as a Hawthorne strainer, mixing spoon, double-sided jigger, and a mojito muddler, this set caters to a variety of cocktail preparations. The precision of the double-sided jigger ensures that measuring out ingredients is both easy and accurate, while the muddler facilitates the perfect extraction of flavors from herbs and fruits. User feedback further emphasizes the reliability and convenience of this cocktail shaker set, boasting an impressive average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on over 4,400 ratings. This level of customer satisfaction highlights its effectiveness and quality as a bartending tool. Additionally, its ranking as the #1 barware toolset clearly indicates a wide acceptance and preference among consumers in the cooking and dining category. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte, you know your tastes best. Note: packaging may vary. Easy to clean and store, the durable, convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk and frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on, instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next to other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries included, with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Cleaning brush. The Crevice Gap Cleaning Brush Tool by UWEME is a noteworthy addition to any cleaning arsenal, particularly for those keen on tackling those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. This set includes 6 handheld groove gap cleaning tools, thoughtfully designed to streamline the tedious task of cleaning various surfaces, including doors, windows, and kitchen appliances. Constructed from durable nylon and plastic materials, the brushes exhibit resistance to wear, reinforcing their longevity. Users will appreciate the medium firmness of the brushes, which strikes a balance between effective cleaning and the gentleness required on delicate surfaces. The multicolor option not only adds a vibrant touch, but also helps in distinguishing between the brushes for different uses, enhancing organization during cleaning sessions. Measuring 9.84 into 7.87 into 0.68 inches and weighing merely 1.6 ounces, this compact set is exceptionally easy to store and handle. The included components, a holder and various attachments, demonstrate Yumi's thoughtful design, ensuring that tools are easily accessible and ready for use when needed. Furthermore, with a solid average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, based on over 2,000 customer reviews, it's clear that many users have found great value in this product. Cleaning brush. The 3-in-1 cup gap cleaning brush set by Vidonio is an essential addition to any home, especially for individuals who value cleanliness and efficiency in their kitchen tools. This thoughtfully designed product features 3 brushes, each specifically crafted to tackle the often overlooked gaps around cup lids and bottles, ensuring a thorough cleaning process. Constructed from durable plastic and stainless steel, the brushes offer a combination of sturdiness and flexibility. The round shape of the brushes allows for easy navigation in tight spaces, making them effective for cleaning various types of bottles and containers. Additionally, the stiff bristles provide the necessary leverage to remove debris and stains without causing damage to the surfaces. One of the standout features of this cleaning set is the practical hanging hole on the handles, allowing for convenient storage. This is particularly beneficial for those with limited kitchen space or for those who like to keep their cleaning tools easily accessible. The vibrant multicolor design adds a touch of cheerfulness to cleaning duties, making the experience more enjoyable.